Nie, no to może nie będę rozmawiać o szczenikę.
Tak to kiedy one to tam normalnie.
You're going outside to buy milk?
Everybody knows.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So these are a few days in our life as a long distance relationship couple. So I will show you guys some Nigeria and also some UK. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. So this was Egypt. Okay, hubby stopped at Egypt before he entered his next connecting flight to UK. Okay, so this was in the night and the next day is when he will be traveling. So he stayed in the airport. So here I was just gisting with him about everything. He said that the flight will be the same thing with going through British Airways, the same time. Wow, this Egypt Airways. I was inside the flight. Was it comfortable? Did you eat?
Yeah.
You did not finish your food?
Chicken.
It's pepper. Oh my god. So you've not eaten? Okay.
And then a small bucket.
Did you have did you ask them for maybe coffee or drink?
Just bring me tea. I asked for tea.
Okay, ask for tea. You don't ask for people. You didn't ask for people.
They're not giving you only water and juice.
Only what? Water and juice. Okay, that's nice. Anyway, sorry, yeah, don't worry. Your journey is almost over. Okay, my love.
Don't worry, I just think okay, I find the Costa.
Oh my god. Wait, $100 for the taxi that will drop you going and coming, or for the hotel? So you spend $100 for hotel and taxi. No, I mean if you have agreed, that is what you will spend.
Yes.
It's not that expensive, now it's cheap. But it's just that you don't have dollar with you now, you're holding pounds.
No, it's not the next account. Only
You don't want to spend that money. You. Okay. But when you did the front camera, I saw two people standing and looking at you. Are they waiting for you or they're just talking to themselves? So love, this is 2 days later. Hubby is going out, so he's taking us on a stroll. He is going to meet some of his friends and he decided to vlog every street of London for us. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share the video, and yeah, So I think this is like a train station. Yeah, this should be his train station. Okay, and he's gonna be taking us along in his journey.
People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts, Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air, hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love, thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again.
You know, I wake up early, so I call you.
Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night, families' laughter fills the air, hearts are warm, love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love, thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends, Christmas time is here again.
I need to now look for work clothes. Anyway, she'll wear skirt. She'll wear skirt and go to school. Skirt and a jean jacket. You've done your coffee? You're going outside to buy milk?
The shop for the milk is not fun.
Okay. Oh. Vlog it because it's gonna enter inside my vlog. Living in UK versus living in Nigeria.
I tell her this how much you buy for £2.60.
Eh,
Goes £50.
you can imagine now.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming.